Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into Cobol db2 program execution, focusing on aspects relevant to job interview preparation. This tutorial will cover the process from code compilation to data retrieval, including common interview questions and code examples. Cobol db2 program execution, a comprehensive overview. The execution of a Cobol db2 program involves a series of steps. 1. Cobol source code creation. You write the Cobol program with embedded SQL statements, using SQL keywords, to interact with the db2 database. 2. Precompilation. The Cobol precompiler identifies the embedded SQL statements within your program. It replaces these SQL statements with Cobol code that calls db2's call level interface, CLI. The precompiler also generates a database request module, dbrm, which contains the extracted SQL statements. 3. Compilation. The modified Cobol source code, now without embedded SQL, is compiled by the Cobol compiler. This creates an object module. 4. Bind. The dbrm is used by the db2 binder, a db2 utility, to generate an application plan or package. The binder analyzes the SQL statements in the dbrm, checks for syntax errors, validates table/column existence and authorization, determines the optimal access paths, execution plans, and creates a compiled, executable representation of the SQL. Application plan contains execution plans for all SQL statements in the dbrm. Used primarily for older applications. Package. A smaller, modular unit containing execution plans. Preferred for newer applications and allows for greater flexibility and reduced locking. Multiple packages can be combined into a plan. 5. Link editing. The Cobol object module is linked with the db2 CLI stubs, provided by db2, and any other required libraries to create an executable load module. 6. Execution. The program is loaded into memory. When the program encounters a db2 related instruction, a call to a db2 CLI routine, it calls the db2 subsystem. db2 uses the application plan or package to execute the precompiled SQL statements against the database. The data retrieved from db2 is returned to the Cobol program. 2. Key concepts and components. Embedded SQL. SQL statements placed directly within the Cobol code. SQL communication area. A Cobol data structure that holds return codes, error messages, and other information about the execution of SQL statements. Crucial for error handling. dbrm, database request module contains extracted SQL statements from the precompiled Cobol program. The input to the bind process. Application plan/package. Compiled representation of SQL statements, created by the db2 binder. Contains the optimized execution plan. db2 CLI, call level interface. A set of routines that Cobol uses to communicate with the db2 database. DSN commands. db2 interactive, db2i. Commands are often used in TSO/ISPF to manage db2 objects and processes. 3. Code example, Cobol with embedded SQL. Explanation. Identification division and environment division. Standard Cobol sections. Data division. SCLCA, the SQL communication area. Crucial for checking if your SQL statements succeeded or failed. SCLCode and SCLState are the most important fields to check. SCLAREM contains error messages. Host variables, Cobol variables used to pass data between the Cobol program and the SQL statements. They are prefixed with a colon, in the SQL statements. Procedure division exec SQL connect to db2 LOC, establishes a connection to the db2 database. db2 LOC is a symbolic name for the database, replace with your actual db2 location. Exec SQL select into, from, where. End exec, this is the core SQL statement. It retrieves data from the employee table and places the results into the Cobol host variables first name, last name, and salary. The where clause uses the empno host variable to select a specific employee. Exec SQL disconnect db2 LOC, terminates the connection to db2. Error handling after each SQL statement, the program checks SQL code. A value of 0 indicates success. Negative values indicate errors. The SQL state is a more standardized error code. The SQL contains detailed error message. Handling errors and understanding the different SQL code/SQL state values is vital. 4. Job interview preparation, common questions and answers. Here are some common interview questions and how to answer them effectively. Question explain the process of executing a Cobol db2 program. Answer the process involves several steps. First, the Cobol program with embedded SQL is precompiled. The precompiler replaces the SQL with Cobol code that calls db2 and generates a dbrm. The Cobol code is then compiled and linked with db2 libraries. The dbrm is bound using the db2 binder to create an application plan or package. Finally, the program executes, using the application plan/package to access and manipulate data in the db2 database. Demonstrate a thorough understanding of the steps. Question what is the purpose of the precompiler in a Cobol db2 program? Answer the precompiler's main purpose is to identify and replace embedded SQL statements within the Cobol program. It translates these SQL statements into Cobol calls to the db2 CLI. It also extracts the SQL statements into a database request module, dbrm, that is later used by the db2 binder. Question what is a dbrm, and what is it used for? Answer a dbrm, database request module, contains the SQL statements extracted from the Cobol program by the precompiler. It serves as the input to the db2 binder, which uses it to create the application plan or package. Question explain the difference between an application plan and a package in db2. Answer both application plans and packages contain the compiled execution plans for SQL statements. An application plan typically contains plans for all SQL statements in a single dbrm and is often used in older systems. A package is a smaller, modular unit that can be independently bound and executed. Packages are generally preferred for newer applications because they allow for more flexibility, reduce locking contention, and make it easier to manage changes to the SQL code. Multiple packages can be grouped together into an application plan. Question what is the SQL, and why is it important? Answer the SQL, SQL Communication Area, is a Cobol data structure that holds information about the execution of SQL statements. It's extremely important for error handling. The key fields are SQL code and SQL state, which indicate the success or failure of the SQL statement. SQL contains diagnostic messages. You must check the SQL after each SQL statement to ensure that the operation completed successfully. Asterisk question asterisk how do you handle errors in a Cobol db2 program? Asterisk answer asterisk after each embedded SQL statement, I check the SQL code or SQL state in the SQL. If the SQL code is not 0, or SQL state doesn't start with 00, an error occurred. I then examine the SQL for detailed error information. Based on the error code, I might take actions such as logging the error, displaying an error message to the user, rolling back a transaction, or terminating the program gracefully. I would use evaluate statements to handle different error codes appropriately. Asterisk question asterisk what are host variables, and how are they used? Asterisk answer asterisk host variables are Cobol variables that are used to pass data between the Cobol program and the SQL statements. They are identified by a colon prefix in the SQL statements. For example, empno is a host variable holding the employee number. Asterisk question asterisk give an example of an embedded SQL statement that retrieves data from a db2 table. Asterisk answer asterisk, provide an example similar to the one in the code above, highlighting the select, into, from, where, syntax and the use of host variables. Asterisk question asterisk what are some common db2 errors you've encountered, and how did you resolve them? Asterisk answer asterisk, be prepared to discuss specific db2 errors you've encountered. Here are a few examples and how to handle them. Asterisk -805, program not found in plan. This usually means the program's dbrm wasn't bound into a plan/package, or the plan/package name is incorrect in the JCL. I'd check the bind process and the JCL to ensure they match. Asterisk -911, rollback due to deadlock or timeout. This indicates a resource contention issue. I'd analyze the SQL statements involved, look for potential locking conflicts, and consider optimizing the SQL or adjusting the isolation level to reduce contention. Asterisk -204, object not found. This means the table or view I'm referencing doesn't exist or I don't have access to it. I'd verify the object name and check my authorization privileges. Asterisk -305, null indicator required. This means a host variable is receiving a null value from db2, but the host variable isn't defined to handle nulls. I would add a null indicator variable to the host variable definition. Asterisk question asterisk how would you optimize a Cobol db2 program for performance? Asterisk answer asterisk there are several ways to optimize. Asterisk optimize SQL queries. Asterisk use indexes effectively, avoid full table scans where possible, and use the explain command to analyze query execution plans. Asterisk use appropriate isolation levels. Asterisk choose the lowest isolation level that satisfies the application's requirements to reduce locking overhead. Cursor stability, CS, is common. Asterisk reduce network traffic. Asterisk retrieve only the necessary columns and rows. Consider using stored procedures for complex logic. Asterisk bind options. Asterisk use appropriate bind options, such as reopt, vars, to reoptimize queries with host variable values at runtime. Asterisk efficient data structures. Asterisk choose appropriate Cobol data types for host variables. Asterisk reduce database calls. Asterisk batch updates and inserts where possible. Asterisk analyze db2 statistics. Asterisk ensure that db2 statistics are up to date so that the optimizer can make informed decisions. Asterisk question, explain how a cursor works in a Cobol db2 program. Asterisk answer, a cursor allows you to process a set of rows returned by a select statement one at a time. It's like a pointer that moves through the result set. You first declare the cursor with a select statement. Then, you open the cursor to execute the query. Next, you fetch rows from the cursor into host variables in a loop. Finally, you close the cursor when you're done processing the rows. Cursors are essential when you need to process multiple rows individually. V. Advanced topics, for more senior roles. Stored procedures. Explain the benefits of using stored procedures, example improved performance, code reusability, security. Know how to call a stored procedure from Cobol using the call statement. Dynamic SQL. Understand the concept of dynamic SQL, SQL statements constructed at runtime, and its use cases, example building flexible queries. Performance monitoring. Discuss tools like db2 Performance Expert or IBM Omegaman for db2 and how they are used to identify performance bottlenecks. Data warehousing / business intelligence. Be familiar with how Cobol db2 programs are used in data warehousing and by environments, example ETL processes. Transaction management. Understand concepts like commit, rollback, and two-phase commit. 6. Example, Cobol program with cursor. Key points about the cursor example. Declare cursor. Defines the cursor named mCursor and associates it with a select statement. Open cursor. Executes the select statement and positions the cursor before the first row. Fetch cursor. Retrieves the next row from the result set and places the values into the specified host variables. Code equals 100 signals the end of the data. Close cursor. Releases the resources associated with the cursor. 7. Best practices and tips. Practice. Write and execute Cobol db2 programs to solidify your understanding. Understand the db2 environment. Become familiar with db2i and common DSN commands. Know your SQL. A strong understanding of SQL is essential. Focus on error handling. Demonstrate that you understand the importance of error handling and how to use the SQL. Be prepared to discuss performance. Think about how you would optimize a Cobol db2 program. Stay up to date. Keep abreast of new features and best practices in db2. Communicate clearly. Explain your thought process and your approach to problem solving. By studying this tutorial, practicing with code examples, and preparing for common interview questions, you will be well equipped to succeed in a Cobol db2 program execution interview. Good luck.